Okay, hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And welcome back to my vlog. And so in this vlog, I'm to share my explanation about the cost of the living in Nepal. So especially if you travel on a low budget, I will talk about accommodation and then food and then transportation and then traveling to Kalinchok in Nepal. So and also snack and souvenir also I want talk in this vlog. So if you are planning to visit Nepal and want to travel cheaply, this video is for you. This is important. So let's start it for the talking. For the first is the food cost. Now let's move to the food. And food in Nepal is cheap and delicious, and especially the local food. And then you can eat a small local restaurant every day, and then without spending too much money. Because maybe the example is the local meals around 150 until 300 Nepal rupees, and then for the chicken curry or butter chicken around 250 until 30 350 rupees. And then naan or rice in this country around 50 until 80 rupees Nepal. And so in one day you can eat well with 500 until 700 rupees only for this food, and filling and then the tasty for this country. And then for the accommodation in Nepal, especially in the cities like Kathmandu, and then you can find budget rental first, guest house, and then hotel usually. And then this is price is very affordable, because for the example of the room, the cost is around 800 until 1,500 Nepal rupees for night. And then they usually the room already includes a bed and then a blanket and then wifi and sometimes hot water and then bathtub also. And then if you stay longer, you can even get a cheaper monthly price, because so for student or budget traveler, Nepal is very friendly place. So maybe for the transportation and daily travel in Nepal, maybe especially for the local bus, and then are the cheap way to travel. Most people use the bus to go everywhere the place, and then the bus fare usually start from 20 until 50 Nepal rupees for the short distance. And then for even budget longer trips, the city it is still very affordable lah. So for the daily travel, buses help you save a lot of money, and then they make be crowded sometimes, but they are part of the local experience. And then for maybe after trip to Kalinchok, because I after trip to Kalinchok now is let's talk about traveling to Kalinchok. I went one of the popular tourist the place, and you want to go to the Kalichok from Kathmandu, you can use the local bus or the tourist bus, because the cost is around 100 until 100 1000 until 1500 Nepal rupees for the round trip. And then if you stay one night accommodation, they are also cheap, around 200 2000 rupees. And then for the Kalichok is famous for beautiful mountain views, and then the cloud water and snow in winter. Again, you can snowboarding also in there. So with a small budget, you can enjoy nature and then fresh air in there in Kalichok. So for the snack and the souvenir, let's talk about snack and souvenir, because sweet snack in Nepal, and then very cheap, because the fried snack 50 until 100 rupees, and then the local sweet maybe 200 until 500 rupees. And then for the souvenir, like keychains and then scarves and then handmade items, the price usually start from 400 or maybe 300 until 700 rupees, and then you can begin politely. And then so that's my experience and the living cost in Nepal. So with a low budget, you can stay comfortable and then eat good food, and then travel by bus and visit beautiful place like Kalichok, and then buy snack and souvenir cheaply. And then Nepal is great country for budget traveler, because that the first is cheaper. And then thank you so much for watching my video in this vlog in the morning. So see you in the next vlog, and then maybe that's it. The last side. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.